Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product insights. Today, we're talking about a standout in the world of comfort wear that's been climbing the Amazon charts, and for good reason. These are the best jeans stretch for women, and we're reviewing none other than the IUGA Stretchy jeans for women. High-waist jeggings with tummy control. From the moment you slip into them, you'll realize these aren't your average pair of jeggings. These jeans combine the flexibility and softness of leggings with the sleek, structured look of denim. Made with a clever blend of 54% cotton, 35% polyester, and 11% spandex, the fabric is breathable, feather-light, and incredibly stretchable, without being see-through. That's an absolute game-changer for daily wear. Now, let's talk fit. These jeans are designed with a high waistband that offers gentle tummy control. No zippers, no buttons, just a smooth, pull-on style that feels secure but never tight. The waistband stays in place without rolling down, and the overall silhouette hugs the body from thigh to ankle, giving you a flattering, lifted look. It's the kind of fit that works with just about everything: cropped tops, oversized sweaters, blazers, even workout tanks. Yes, they're real pockets, which means you can ditch the tiny handbag for errands. The faux fly gives it the traditional denim touch while keeping things simple and sleek. They keep their shape after multiple washes, no sagging knees or stretched out waistbands. They're light enough to pack for travel and versatile enough to wear year-round. Whether you're going from couch to coffee run, work to weekend, or even from the gym to brunch, they fit right in. Available in sizes ranging from extra small to 4X, and in multiple colors like dark blue, black, and light blue. IUGA has truly made an effort to be size inclusive and style flexible. So if you're someone who's constantly torn between wanting to look polished and actually feeling comfortable, the IUGA Stretchy jeans might just be your new favorite wardrobe staple. That wraps up our review today on Product Critique. If you're ready to ditch stiff denim forever, these jeggings might be your answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another product breakdown. Catch you next time.